Folks often want to know what size of equipment they need for their home and how that is determined. What we have found is that typically the builders are pretty good at putting the right size of equipment for your home. So if the home is the same as built and the equipment is what was installed by the builder, most likely the equipment is properly sized. In the case of alterations or usage changes than designed, then the equipment sizing perhaps needs to be adjusted. If that is the case, you will notice that there are areas in the home that aren't as cool or warm as other areas. This is something that would be addressed by an equipment consultant. When you call me, someone here at AccuTemp will come to your home who's qualified to make those assessments. The tool that is used is called a manual J, which is a heat load calculation, and it determines what capacity or tonnage is needed to properly cool and heat your home or business. An example of where a heat load calculation would need to be done is if you've had an add-on done, or perhaps walls have been changed, or that large tree to the west has come down. Another example in today's world is perhaps a bedroom is now being used as a computer center with lots of television screens or computing equipment, which of course generates a great deal of heat into that room. Any kind of usage differences or additions as well as modifications to the floor plan should be brought up to the equipment consultant so that he can do the proper calculations to determine the size needed for your home or business.